One dirty air filter. That's all it takes to trigger a chain reaction that kills your AC system. Most HVAC problems homeowners call about: weak airflow, warm air, short cycling, high energy bills, trace back to the same neglected maintenance step. Here's what a clogged filter actually causes. Restricted airflow forces your blower motor to work harder, accelerating wear. Reduced airflow over the evaporator coil causes it to freeze, blocking cooling entirely. Your system runs longer to compensate, driving up your energy bill. Short cycling kicks in, putting stress on every component with every restart. And duct buildup spreads debris deeper into the system over time. The fix? Replace your filter every 30 to 60 days, especially in Florida, where systems run almost year-round. Routine maintenance twice a year can extend your system's lifespan by 30 to 40%. The Service Pros keep St. Pete homes running efficiently with honest maintenance. No high-pressure upsells. Book at theservicepros.com.